Assalamualaikum friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are happy and well. So in today's video, viewers, I will show you beautiful water painting design ideas. So viewers, I hope you enjoy my videos. So viewers, let's start the video. So friends, my first idea is viewers. Friends, weavers, friends. So my first idea is water painting is very fun and creative that Reusable can reuse all glass water, plastic water and turn them into amazing decorative fields with just paint and a little imagination. Simple water can become beautiful art of home decoration and gifts, crafts, budget friendly and perfect for banners, wall art. So friends, first of one of the most popular ideas is flower painting on water. You can paint rose, tulips and flower on glass water. Use bright color like red, yellow, pink, green to make the water look fresh and beautiful. These waters can be used as flower vases for home decoration and viewers. And viewers, next idea is friends. Nature theme water. You can paint nature scenes like tree, leaves and bird. This gives a peaceful and relaxing look. Nature theme water are perfect for evening decoration. Galaxy water painting. Create a magical galaxy design using dark blue, purple, black colors. Add star, plants and glitter effect. These waters look very beautiful at night with light inside. And viewers, I hope you are enjoy my videos.